What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to create a Revolut business account. First thing to do is to simply go to your Play Store or App Store in order to download Revolut application. Then you should search for Revolut, and if you actually try to search on your browser on your PC, it will also ask you to download the application. So from the beginning, try to download the application. Now click on this one right here with this logo and install it on your phone. After that, you should go to your application and open it. Now click on sign up because you don't have an account. Then here, as you can see, it will ask you to enter your mobile number, and you can also choose the country of the mobile number from this section right here. There are many countries. You can simply choose whatever country you want, then click on sign up. After that, they will send you a 6-digit code. All you have to do right now is to simply copy it, then paste it right here. Now, after that, they will ask you to prove your residency. So you have now to select your nationality, and you have also to select a document in order to take a picture of it. So you can simply choose the passport. And now after taking a photo of your passport, you will just wait for about an hour. And after that, you can simply use Revolut to send or receive money. And now we finished. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.